bring it up for me. Alright, so see? Yeah, man. Boom! Yep. Time for the first clip. Yeah, man, so I'll clear there. And get it set. Also, there, yes, Rastafari. Give thanks, man. Yeah, man. Bam, bam, bam. Wrong color. Bam. Right. What's up, guys? Over there again, dinner time right now. And today dinner, red snapper and pasta. Maybe fling some fried chicken tonight, so don't worry yourself. Anything goes. So red snapper, we have the drink here. We're not getting a sponsor for this, but so this evening, red snapper, so stay tuned for that. And pasta. Boom! And guys, remember, subscribe, please. I got a lot of views, but subscribers are a little down. Bring it up for me. Alright, so see? Yeah, man. Boom! Outdoor dinner tonight. There's no fish in the kitchen tonight. I can't remember it tonight, is it? Light him up, get him red up. And the fish, we have a seasoning down. Yeah, man. Clean him up and thing. So, right now, we are catch the fire. We are catch the charcoal in the rim. Original style we are dealing with, We not do no lay thing. Yeah, man, so I'll clear the smoke and mash. So as we get the charcoal up and running, red hot, clean up the fish then. The place when I buy them and thing, we ask the guy to clean them, but you don't know. Still have to put your touch. You still have to bring it home and clean it up properly how you want it, Yeah, because they just do basic cleaning. Yeah, they take off the scale and they take out the guts and all of that. So. But you have a couple scales still to leave, So you want to get off as much as possible. Guys, remember to like, share and subscribe, please. Yeah, and the smoke can mash me up, It's like a wrong location with it right now. Yeah. If we go out to that location, that smoke can mash me up. Yeah, man, so plan for us to do things a little different today. So some fish and some pasta. That's all we are rock today. Yeah, man. And the oil hot, So right now, hope you see it good right now. Oil hot. Yeah. Look at that. Whoa. Look at that. Yeah. Oh. So guys, over here I have all the ingredients for my pasta. Right now I get it set. Also, all my ingredients for the pasta. Take a look. Rasta pasta and fish. What is it? It is fish. Seems like it's gonna rain, guys. But the show must go on, Yeah, man. Yep. Time for the first clip. Come on, Alex. I'm gonna get rid of the fire. There you go. That's the professional right there. So yeah, guys, food done, and it's presentation time for me, and I'm gonna show you how I do stuff. Whether I'm at home, I'm at work on the food truck, it doesn't matter. Presentation is key. So watch me. Watch me. Of course, you have to get some fresh, right? Check that out. Of course, you put more cheese. That's the presentation, right? That's all. And you don't need nothing more than that, you know. Come check it up close and personal. Look at this. Yeah, pasta and fish, and that's all you need. Look at me. Yeah, presentation is the key. You see it? Yeah, man. So guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe. A lot of video coming, a lot of cooking video. Hopefully you help me when you subscribe, so I can, you know, put like the menu and everything in the description. But as now I'm just starting out and I'm getting better as we go. So yeah, man, right now I'm gonna dig in a little bit and taste it, but I know it's good, trust me. Yeah, maybe you can come and try it one day, you know. Yes, Rastafari, give thanks, man. Yeah, man. So like, honestly guys, while I was cooking the fish and the pasta and all of that, I was frying a piece of chicken, so I had to show you that too. Yeah, man. Yeah, of course you're gonna have the garnish. Bam, bam, bam. Wrong color. Bam, right color. And of course you got to sprinkle a little bit more cheese. So see it there, a piece of fried chicken with some Rasta pasta, and we still got the fish over here, so with the Rasta pasta. See? Yeah, man. And that's a go on, man. Yeah, man. Like, share, and subscribe, you know. Cool.